Hi everyone, this is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a how-to video on starting and marketing a YouTube channel. I understand some of you users out there have been on YouTube for 5 to 10 years, or some of you may just be starting out. In this video, I'll be just going over some of the basics on how to get started. A little bit of background on YouTube. YouTube is a fairly new company, started on February 14th of 2005, headquartered in California, and YouTube was purchased by Google the next year, and it operates as part of Google. What can you post? By creating a YouTube channel, you can upload videos, subscribe to other users, like and comment on videos, and much more. How do you set up a YouTube channel? It is very, very simple. Excuse me. Since Google had purchased YouTube, YouTube has been compatible with the Gmail/Google Drive. All you have to do is create your own Gmail address, get your Google Drive going, then go to the YouTube app underneath the app queue to start building your channel. What do you want to post and how do you save videos to your computer? Well, after you set up your Gmail address, think about your interests. Think about what you want to take video of. You can get a camcorder from, let's say, Best Buy or Amazon, or you can simply use your smartphone to take some videos of what you like to do. Me, for example, is trains, trucks, and building. Then after you take some footage, save the videos to your Photos app on your computer, then you export them to the desktop. This bullet here will play a vital role in the next slide. Editing videos. Now, there are a lot of users out there who make a movie with their individual videos called a compilation. This is a really good suggestion because your viewers or subscribers in this case can see a month's worth of videos all at one time in one sitting. Lots of YouTubers use this technique. Train Act Productions, Standard Gauge Railroader, myself, and Austin Trains, we all use this technique. Some of the editing softwares out there are a few listed, but iMovie being the best, designed by Apple. This is what I strongly recommend you use. It's one of the best out there, and I've never had a really big problem with iMovie. I've always had a good experience with iMovie, so I would strongly recommend going with iMovie when it comes to editing. Subscribing. Once you have found out what you want to post on your channel, start subscribing to other users who have the same interests as you. By subscribing to others, you are building your target audience, which is, for example, rail fans or truckers, for example, which is the audience that is specifically going toward your channel. You can also get subscribers by copying a link to your channel or your latest video on a Facebook page. Not only will your likes and comments go up, your audience is going to grow. If someone subscribes, sub back. Uploading the videos. Once you are satisfied with your video, and you put the final touches into it, save the video file to your desktop. Make sure the resolution is high for your camera, like 1080p for example. While the video is uploading, take the time to type a description of your video in the description box, and leave the privacy on public unless you want to change it. Premiering your videos. This is one of the newest features of YouTube, and I credit Standard Gauge Railroad for encouraging me to use this. Premiering the videos allows your subscribers to get excited about your upcoming release. You can premiere and schedule a time for your video to be published. Premiere during the evening hours. Most people want to watch videos in the evening. This is recommended. While the video is premiering, participate in the live chat on the right side of your screen. And this will give you an opportunity to talk with other rail fans about your video. Likes and comments. As your videos are posted, you're going to receive comments, likes, and dislikes. Monitor your comments closely. Some are nice and some aren't. If you don't like one of them, simply remove it. Remember, respond to the comments that make you feel good. If you get a dislike, don't be upset. Just keep going. Blocking. There might be an occasion where you might feel uncomfortable with the user. This is a common situation. Simply hide them from your channel, which means they can't comment on your videos. How do I manage the channel? In the YouTube Studio, YouTube monitors your views, subscribers, and watch time. All stats are recorded live. You can view this at any time to monitor if your viewers are interested in your content. It also shows your age group, gender, and countries that are watching your videos. This studio is a great tool to monitor your success. Promoting yourself and your channel. There are many different ways you can do this. You can make your own business cards describing who you are and what you do, YouTube channel name, and other contact information. Copy paste a link to your channel in your Facebook post. Make a trailer, which is a preview of your channel. Do this once a year. Make an intro for your videos. Make a new intro every 3 months or every quarter to keep it active. Or you can make your own t-shirt with your username. You can use Vistaprint to design shirts and business cards and a whole lot more. And here are a few final tips I'd like to give you. Have a blast with it. Post periodically to keep the channel active. Update your channel art frequently to keep your viewers interested. If you have questions, don't panic. You can ask questions in my monthly Q&A series. Q&A prompt comes out first of every month, and responses are given at the end of the month. Thank you very much. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see y'all next time.